10 different ways that you can go viral on Instagram in 2019. What's up, guys? My name's Josh Ryan. I'm a 19-year-old Instagram expert based here in New Zealand, and today I'm going to show you 10 different ways you can go viral on Instagram to help you grow your audience, build your pages, and so on. And these 10 ways, you can put them all together to grow fast. You can do them individually. Maybe get a few more ideas of things you can try if you're not quite getting the results you want on Instagram, or if you are and you just want to strive to get better. But without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Alright, so tip number 1 is to use what we call a hashtag stack. And this is the way that I do my hashtags. This is the way you'll find many people do their hashtags. And it is by doing what's called a stack. So you have a range of different hashtag sizes. So your first 5 will be nice and small. They'll be really little hashtags you can rank on every single time. The next 5 or so will be a bit bigger. You'll get a bit more traction from them, and you'll pretty much always show up on them as well. The next 5 will be medium size, and those ones you'll mostly show up on, not always, but again, you get more traction from those as they're a little bit bigger. Next 5 will be slightly bigger again, and these ones you'll show up on less times, but you'll get more traction when you do show up on them. And then the last 5, or the last maybe 1 to 3, will be like really big, and 90% of the time you'll never show up on them. But that 10% that you do, that's going to be a very nice bit of growth right there. So the way I do this is like 5 under 100k, 5 about 100k to 250, 250 to 500, 500 to 1 million, 1 million to 3 million, and then 3 million plus. As you get more followers, you can increase these. If you have less, you can decrease these. Do it to fit. And if Instagram ever does an update in the future, just to keep this video evergreen, and they say you can only have 20 hashtags or 10 hashtags or 5 hashtags, just do it down to scale. Alright, number 2 is to use locations and tag locations in your photo, whether this be where you are, where your photo is, or maybe an area you're trying to grow your following in. And this is simple. Not many people actually do it. They don't even think of it. And this is essentially just tagging the location in the photo, whether it be New York, New Zealand, Australia, whether it be your country, your city, the specific monument or place that you live at, or whatever it might be. Tag that. It's another way to grow your following and rank. You can rank on hashtags, you can rank on the explore page, you can rank on locations. So that's another great way to get some more followers, especially if it's a really good image. Tip number 3 is to post more videos. Videos go viral much more than pictures do, unless it's a really clickbaity picture. What I've found in the past is that videos will tend to get a bit of, every single video you post, as long as it's content, will get a bit of a boost. It'll get more of a boost than a normal picture. Sometimes a picture can go massively viral, but 99 times out of 100, videos will outperform images. And this is just because of the pure fact that videos keep people on the platform. If someone sits and they're scrolling through their newsfeed and they watch a 60-second video, they're staying on the platform for 60 seconds. Or maybe they watch it twice and it's 120 seconds. And the longer someone stays on the platform, the more money Instagram make. However, if someone's just scrolling through their feed and they look at a picture, they can decipher the picture in 5 seconds and then boom, they're gone. So videos keep people on the platform for like 10 times as long as a picture. More time on the platform, more money that Instagram make. The more money that Instagram make off a certain thing, the more they're going to benefit you for using that because it helps them. You both win if you post more videos. Number 4, and this goes along with the last step of posting more videos, and that is to use killer thumbnails. You can either edit a picture to be the end slide of a video before you upload it to Instagram, and then you can select that end slide, or you can use a custom thumbnail and post it and use that as it as well. And having these will help you significantly, especially if you do the hashtags well and you get on the explore page. Just having a good thumbnail that can draw people in and get them excited about the video is an amazing way to boost your people clicking on that, boost the amount of impressions that are then clicking on it. Because let's say you get 100,000 people see the explore page of what your video's on. If you get 10% of them convert because you've got a really good thumbnail, and you get 10,000 people then view it, they're going to push that to more people. So have an awesome thumbnail. Number 5 is to post more on Instagram. And this is kind of simple, but the more tickets in the raffle you have, the more chance that you are of winning. If there's 100 tickets in a raffle, and you buy 50 of them, you got a really, really good chance of winning. Instagram's no different. If 1 in every 10 of your posts goes viral at the start, if you're posting 10 times every 2 days, so 5 a day, you go viral every 48 hours, as opposed to posting every second day, where you go viral once or twice a month. It's a big, big change. And as you get better, the more you post, the more you'll understand Instagram. You'll understand what does work and what doesn't work, and tactics that are good to use and tactics that are bad to use. And that'll shorten your learning curve massively and allow you to grow faster. So post more. Number 6 is to use red. And red in the thumbnails is probably more what I'm meaning here, as it psychologically makes people stop and pay attention to what you have to offer. You ever wondered why McDonald's has got like a red background behind a yellow arc? It's all psychology, and it's all there to design to take your eyes and see that. Because when you'll notice when you're driving through a city, you'll always see the McDonald's sign, just about every single time. And there's a reason why lots of these fast food shops have got red in their logo, like KFC as well. It's because it draws people's attention, and Instagram is no different. If you can have a red circle around something in a thumbnail, or you can have a red border or a red title with words on the thumbnail, that's going to draw people's attention, and especially from the Explore page, especially from that, and in the newsfeed as well. It'll draw people's attention, and with that attention comes more views, more likes, more comments, and the whole snowball effect of going even more viral, as well as more followers and more sales of whatever you're promoting. So use more red. It's a good psychological hack to draw people's attention. Go ahead and do more of that. Number 7 is to use higher quality pictures and videos. This is actually something that's been proven. A lot of people have talked about it. A lot of people have proven it. And I'm pretty sure Instagram have even admitted it themselves. And the more pixels a video or an image has, the higher the chances of it going viral. And this just basically is a way for good content to get shown to more people and bad content to get pushed out. If you've got a really grainy image, it's going to look horrible. Instagram don't want to show that to the users because maybe they'll click off the platform when they're just seeing shit content because they don't want to see it. So if you use higher quality images, you'll get better results, trust me. And so ways to do this, if instead of using a picture downloader, some sort of app, you can just screenshot and crop. I found that's the best way to keep the quality. For videos, you will have to download it in some way, shape or form. Just make sure whatever you're using to download it keeps it really high quality. The more pixels there are, the higher your chances of going viral. And it doesn't mean to say you won't go viral with a grainy picture, but as competition keeps increasing, you're going to have to continually get better and better and better to continue to go viral and to continue to stay at the top, which is why just these little things can make all the difference. Number 8 is model success. Follow a few people who are absolutely crushing it with their theme pages. Don't follow their personal brands. Follow their theme pages and look what they're doing. Are they posting on their story more? How many times a day are they posting? Are they putting their hashtags in the caption or in the first comment? Are they using good thumbnails? Are they posting more videos or more images? Are they branding it and putting themselves on the story and getting themselves out there, or are they keeping it as a theme page? What are they doing? How are they doing it? And why are they doing so damn well? And then model that. Replicate similar things and put your own spin on it to create massive success. Because if someone else is doing it really well and it's working, chances are if you do something similar and add your own little twist to it, you do very, very well. Pretty much all these massive businesses you're seeing pop up recently are like the Uber of, or the Airbnb of this industry. So they've taken a concept that already works and they've applied it to their niche of expertise and they're crushing it. So you can do the same on Instagram too. Number 9, and this one is more of a strategy for personal brands rather than theme pages, although you can do it there. But it's hook people into the photo or the video with a really, really good story. And this follows on from what we talked about earlier. Remember how I said videos get more watch time than a picture does in the newsfeed? People spend more time on a video than they do on a picture. And because people are spending more time on the app, Instagram can show them more ads and makes Instagram more money. Now, there's a way to hack this to even go further, either improve it on a picture or go even further with a video, and that is to hook people into reading the caption. And this, if you put in a long caption, keeps people on the app for longer. Instagram can show them more ads, then they will reward you because they want to make more money. Simple, they're a business. And so the way you do this is you write a good story. If you've got a photo of you in your hometown and you're an entrepreneur trying to build your personal brand and you talk about business and success and investing and so on, then you might have a photo in your hometown and write a really long emotional story about how you got bullied there. And then you learned this, you met a mentor, this happened, this is how your life changed. Or you watched a YouTube video which encouraged you to work out, get motivated, get fit, get healthy, get strong, and now you're an athlete. Or whatever it might be, whatever your story is, or whatever what you're writing about is, put in a good story. Eman Gardzi is amazing at doing this. He's he's a young entrepreneur, he's the same age as me, and he crushes it because all of his Instagram posts, similar to Sam Ovens, are very in-depth, they're very long, and they do well because they keep people's attention. So number 9 is to hook people into your captions with a good story, deliver some value, and it keeps people on the platform longer, and therefore Instagram rewards you because it's more profitable for them. So that's number 9. Number 10, and the final tip I'm going to be talking about on today's video, is to post when your followers are more active. And this seems simple, but a lot of people don't do it. And it's a simple way to get viral and to go viral easier, and it's just post when your followers are active. If you post when people are active and you get a ton of engagement early on because it's like 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. where you're posting and they're all on their phone at that time, they all like your photos, comment, share it around, and gets a ton of engagement early on, Instagram's like, damn, this is a good post, I'm going to show this to more people so more people stay on the platform for longer and I get more money. That's the mind of Instagram. And so they will push it to more people and you will get more reach, more followers, more leads, more sales, more money yourself. Everyone wins. And so post when people are active, it'll massively boost your engagement. So that's it for this video. You'll notice there's a really common theme of anything that keeps people on the platform longer means that Instagram can show them more ads. When Instagram can show them more ads, Instagram makes more money. And which means Instagram, because they are a company, they are a business, they're trying to make profit, they will do more of what makes them money, which is showing them content which keeps them on the platform. So if you can produce content that keeps people on the platform, Instagram will reward you. It's sort of as simple as that if you break it down. But that's all for this video. Hopefully one of these 10 ways can help you out. One or maybe multiple of them. If you try them together, it's a great combination to just crush it. You can put all 10 of these together and kick ass. So thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. It may seem insignificant to you, but it really does help me within the algorithm, reach more people and help more people crush it online. If you enjoyed this content as well, be sure to subscribe. If you subscribe below, it costs you nothing. That's the wee secret I'm going to give you today. It costs you absolutely $0.00 to subscribe, and it helps me as well. Again, it shows me that you guys appreciate this content, that you enjoy it, and that you want to see more of it. So subscribe below for more content like this to help you grow on social media and make more money on social media. And you never know what the future may hold as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Remember, I do post twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, US time, Wednesdays and Fridays here in New Zealand. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in another video soon.